Hi guys, welcome to my video of unboxing Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now you might have seen a lot of videos in YouTube unboxing the pre-release version or the reviewers unit. Today I'm going to show you a total retail commercial version which is due to release on the 8th of March. Now today is the 7th of March and I was lucky enough to get myself a box of the actual retail version. Now I subscribed with Optus and I pre-ordered on the 21st of February when Samsung announced the release of this new device. I got an SMS 2 days back saying they have dispatched this phone to my address, and today I got this. Now this pre-order also contained a Samsung earbud. And Samsung said like if you order before 8th of March you would get a free earbuds. Now this is the box which I have received today. So I just cut this cable tie. I was too excited, but I didn't actually open the boxes, which I'm gonna do right now. So this was delivered by Star Trek, and this is the Australian version of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now in the box I've got these beautiful earbuds and I've got the actual phone. You can see S10 Plus. Since I subscribed with Optus, they also gave me a starter SIM kit, and I believe that's the order details. Now I'm going to put this aside and I will first unbox the phone. Let me get my cutter. There it is. So that's the actual phone. And hidden inside the cover is the manual, I believe. I'll get that up later. Now let's look at the phone itself. It's very beautiful. Now we have also heard a lot of rumors that the actual unit will come with a screen protector pre-installed, but I'm not sure whether it does have one. But let's check it out. So that's the phone. There's a booklet. There's a back protector. It's very hard to say whether it has got a screen protector or not. Well, it does. So I don't know whether you can see it from this distance, but when I touch the screen with my nails, I could feel there is a screen protector pre-installed. So the rumor is actually true. It will come pre-installed with a screen protector. So you don't need to order any screen protector when you get the phone. Use this pre-installed screen protector. When it wears off, get a new one. Now let's see what else is in the box. The travel adapter charger. This is the Type I for Australia. The USB cables, Type C to USB adapter, and the headphone, which is tuned by AKG. There's nothing here, and there's the pin to open the SIM tray, and there's a booklet inside. So that's a quick start guide. Now let me unbox the earbuds as well. Wow, it's really nice, and it's in white. There's one more at the end. Voila, beautiful. So that's the new Samsung earbud, which is a little bit smaller than the last version. So what we have here is a little box inside a box, and inside this box we have the charging cable, nicely wrapped. So here's the charging cable. It is in white, and we have we have some what do you call them, the actual plastic earbuds. Depending on your ear size, you can replace and put each on. And now let's look at the actual earbud box. That's it, there's nothing. It's a beautiful shape. It's like a capsule, like a mini capsule. Right, there you go. So that's the actual earbud. The green light switched on, meaning it's charged. That's the actual bud. So that's the right one and the left one. Alright, so I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to switch on the phone itself. So let's do it. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, secured by Knox, powered by Android. Still booting up. That's it, that's the first screen. So I will select the language as English Australian, click next. So there is some, privacy, and just need to tick each one of them and then press next. So it's asking me to bring my old data for quicker setup. Probably I will skip this for now. It's asking for a Wi-Fi network. Let me put in my Wi-Fi network here. Got my Wi-Fi network. So it is checking for updates. It is asking me to sign in with Google. Let me sign in. Now it is asking me to say, if you start from Google, keep your account updated with these phone numbers, blah, blah, blah. Click yes. I agree. Now it's checking for some information. Well, it couldn't sign in. I'll probably try again later. I'm gonna pause the video now and I'll get back to you again once it's done all the checking. So you don't guys have to wait. Okay guys, I'm back again. Now I have switched on the phone and it took almost 30 minutes to come to this stage. So be aware, keep 30 minutes in hand while you are setting up the phone. It is still downloading some of the apps in the background, but you can see the the home screen. Swipe up, you get all your apps. It's the Bixby Home. Now, just to summarize the whole unboxing experience, as I've advised earlier, this phone comes with a screen protector pre-installed. So if you order a new phone, don't worry about a screen protector. It already comes one installed on the phone. The phone that I ordered is a ceramic black, 8 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Although it's a black phone, but the promotion comes with the white earbuds. So if you don't want a white earbuds, you might have to buy a separate one. But if you pre-order with the phone, you'll get it as a white version. Now I will use this phone in the next few days and I'll make one other video with all my experience. So like my video and stay tuned. And if you order a new phone, hopefully you'll get it soon by tomorrow, and enjoy. Alright then, bye bye.